Hi, this is Raj from MR Sportscars. Here we've got an exceptionally special 991.1 Carrera S Coupe, finished in Basalt Black. It's a car we've previously sold. It is the highest specification 991 Generation 1 we've ever come across. Over £30,000 worth of factory options, plus a few other special enhancements that have been done on this car as well to improve it. Absolutely exceptional condition, as you can see. So it's finished in Basalt Black Metallic, and the whole front end has been PPF, so all the way up until the top of the roof. So even around the roof, the pillars, mirrors, all panels at the front end have been PPF, so that's paint protection film, and it's an exceptional finish as well. You can't actually see it there. Even the lights have been covered as well. And then the rest has been ceramic coated. So as you can see, it's in absolutely gleaming condition. Now, as I said, it has got £30,000 worth of options, so I'm going to try and run through all of them. I may miss a couple of things, but it is absolutely huge. You'll be able to view the full option list on our website as a PDF, and I'll run through that in this video, and I'll also start the car as well. So starting at the front end, it's got front and rear parking sensor. It has also got reversing camera as well, which has been retrofitted along with CarPlay. It's got the PDLS Black Edition headlights, so these are directional headlights, so they will rotate round corners, so it will light up corners as you're going around them. We had the lenses replaced before the last time we sold it, and they're still as new, and they've been PPF to be protected now as well. So fantastic condition those are. It's got the auto dimming mirrors, the auto wipers as well as standard, the folding mirrors with the welcome LEDs there as well. And then at the back, there's no wiper. As I said, reversing camera there, and also parking sensors there at the back. It's got the switchable sports exhaust, and it's even got the sports tailpipe. So these have got a ridged inner edge. They were a separate option from the switchable sports exhaust that's on this car. It's got the electric sunroof, so that can either be opened on a tilt or you can slide it all the way open. I will open that on this video. And then you might have spotted the speed yellow calipers. That's because this car was fitted with PCCB, so that's ceramic composite brakes from new, and they're in fantastic condition. We've just had the car service, and they were checked over, and they're absolutely great. The condition of the discs and pads are great as well. The wheels are the 20-inch Carrera S wheels. They've got tyre pressure monitoring, and they're fitted with Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's all round. And they've got lots of tread left on them. And we had these refurbished last time as well, so they're still in fantastic condition, as you can see. There's the discs as well. There's those lovely yellow calipers, which really set it apart. Carrera S's typically have the big brake setup, which is guards red, but they're steel brakes. This has got the £6,000 option of having ceramic brakes from the factory. Now let me go inside. It's got keyless entry, and it's also got keyless go, so there is little buttons here which will detect when you've got a key in your pocket, and it will unlock the car, and you can also lock the car with it, so you don't even need the key to put in the ignition. And also a neat little feature is if you've got the key on you and you put your hand along here, you don't have to press a button to open that front end. Now there's lots of space in there, as you can see. It goes all the way to the floor. It's got a Bosch battery in here, along with the original tyre compressor in that area there, as well as all the tools and everything else that it should have. But inside is where it gets exceptionally special. So it's got the two-tone platinum grey and extended black leather with silver stitching all across it. It's got the carbon trims as well, so this is carbon fibre here, all along the dash, that centre section there. Rear seats are also in fantastic condition. It's got ISOFIX on 3 of the seats, so the rear come as standard, and then this car was also spec'd with the passenger side ISOFIX on this seat. So it's got hoops just at the bottom there, and it's also got the airbag deactivation, so that's a really nice option for someone who wants to maybe put a booster seat in on the passenger side at the front, so you don't have to just have the kids in the back. As I said, it's got the folding mirrors as well. Let me power it up. There we go. So it's got the folding mirrors, These seats are the highest level of seat you could get. They're the 18-way Hardback Adaptive Sport Seats Plus. So they have silver backs. The bolsters are adjustable in and out. There's a knee support, which is also adjustable, lumbar support, and full memory system on that seat, as well as the electric steering column and also the mirrors. So it remembers those positions on both keys, which were also optioned to be painted in black as well to match the paintwork of the car. And you can also have 2 additional settings here on the panel here. So you can have up to 4 different sets of settings, and it will also remember your stereo settings, air conditioning settings, lighting settings, a huge amount of stuff. So as soon as you unlock it, it will recall that information based on which key you've used to unlock it. So you can have a different key for 2 different people, say a husband and wife, and it will just remember, it will move everything as you open it. It does also have comfort access, so when you switch the car off, it will move the seat back slightly and it will lift the steering column to make it easier to get in and out. That's all a massive option package on these cars, as well as that extended 2-tone interior. It's got things like cruise control and then Burmester. So that Burmester system is the highest level of stereo you could get. It's 12 speakers, 821 watts. The seats are also heated as well. So I'm going to get in and start the car. It's got 4 previous owners, including the chap that we previously sold it to, 58,000 miles, and we've just had it serviced as well. So the next major service is due April 28. Next oil change, so it's all due basically January 2028. This screen you can obviously change what you view here. Tyre pressures as well, as I said, it's all Sport Chrono. You can control the stopwatch there, G-forces as well. So a lot of things you can do there. Cruise control, I think I've already mentioned. Carplay as well. Now this system has also got the reversing camera, which is good, but it's also got a very rare option, which is the digital TV, which still works. So if I go to tuner, if I go to stationless, you've got all the Freeview channels basically. So E4, and it should still have signal. So that is a fantastic, very rare option to have on these cars. The roofline is all black Alcantara. Let me open that roof while I'm here. So that's one touch operation. So it can either be a tilt or open like that. So it lets a lot of light into this cabin, and it really suits having this lighter interior as well. It really lightens up this. This steering wheel is fantastic as well. Lovely feel to it, and it's got the paddles to change gears, either in full manual mode or auto mode on the 7-speed PDK, which is a double clutch system. So that's normally in drive, and then you slide it across to be in full manual mode. Then it's got the Sport Plus and Sport, so and it also has launch control. So in those different modes, it will change the aggressiveness of the gears, it will change the throttle sensitivity. On this car also, it will stiffen the PADM, so that's Porsche Active Drivetrain Mounts, and also adapts the PDCC, Porsche Dynamic Chassis Control, and also PASM will also switch on automatically in those different modes. It's got the switchable sports exhaust, so let me just rev it now with it off. So that's it with it off. So it makes it a lot more, it spits and cackles with that exhaust, which is, yeah, really nice to hear. And then, as I said, it's got the CarPlay system as well. So you've got Google Maps, all compatible apps on your phone that will work with CarPlay or Android Auto will work in here. So you can have your radio stations, you can have podcasts, you can even have Waze. So you get live navigation data, but alongside that you've also got the original Porsche system running. So that's the UK and Europe maps, which are on the database, so you don't need data to run that. Say if you're driving in Europe, you don't want to rack up loads of data charges because you're using Waze, you can use this system instead, the Porsche system. The sound settings are also great because you've got the Burmester settings, which can really tweak the sound. The quality of sound is so crisp in this car with that system. 3-stage heated seats, 2-zone climate control as well, tracker fobs as well. And then in here you've also got 12-volt socket there. There's the Carplay port there, but it does work wirelessly. My phone is connected wirelessly. You just need to connect it once with the wired connection, and then you give it permission to connect wirelessly, and then it will always work wirelessly with your phone without having to connect it every time. It's a very intuitive system, works really, really well with this car. There's the airbag deactivation, which is optional with that ISOFIX, which is down there. I just love the sound of this car. It drives absolutely fantastically, obviously with that full PDCC system, PASM, PADM, Sport Chrono, switchable sports exhaust. Everything you could get on these cars is on this car. Now I'm going to run through the options and things. So it's got obviously the 3.8 litre flat six. It's rear wheel drive. It's got 400 horsepower, 325 foot-pounds of torque. It will do 60 actually in around 4 seconds. It's a very, very fast Porsche sports car. This is the mega options. You can view this on our website at your own leisure. As I said, it's got things like the black edition lights, PTV, so that's the locking rear diff, auto wipers, dimming mirrors, PDCC, PCCB, ceramic composite brakes, cruise control, tyre pressure monitoring. I don't think. It's got the full LED light design package. So this puts extra lighting in the car. So it's got a little panel here that lights up, but also in the footwells as well, which is another option you had to specify to have additional lighting in the car at night, which is really nice. Cruise control system. Just seeing if I've missed Porsche entry and drive keyless go. So basically you just need the key. So there's the key. You just need the key within the car to start it, and it's got a fob there which is always in the socket there. Tilt and slide sunroof, mobile phone, navigation, digital TV, Burmester. And then we run through all of that stuff, but as sort of different areas. So exterior, interior, audio and communication, safety and security. But again, as I said, this is a PDF you can view on the website. And then we've done a full over rev and diagnostics check with the Porsche Diagnostics. Only range 1, over revs 126 in total. That's 0.35 seconds its whole life. That's just under the red line. So this car has not been thrashed on the track or anything like that, and hasn't got the lots of ignitions in range 1 to its life. We've also done an engine hours check to make sure that the average speed is reasonable, and this car's got an average speed of 26 miles an hour its whole life, when you do the mileage divided by the number of operating hours that the engine's been running. And then we've checked obviously all the options, but also all of the VIN number, engine number, that kind of thing are all confirmed as being correct. And as I said, we've sold this car previously a few years ago, back in 2024. So it's supplied by Porsche Reading. It was one of the first 991.1 supplied by Porsche Reading in December 2011, then serviced 2013, 2015, 2017, 2019, 2021, all at Porsche Exeter. Everything's been done as it should be. PDK service, the 12-year one was done at La Rose Porsche. AMS Porsche serviced it. Did the drive belt and spark plugs and aircon conditioners in August 2024. That was for us. And then we also had Porsche Care do a PDCC service and also replace one of the drop links for that active anti-roll bar system, which is a phenomenal system, as I've said before. And then we've just had it serviced in January of this year, 15th of January, minor service, oil, pollen filters, drive belt checked, brake fluid change, which was all that was due. So it's literally all up to date. And we've got invoices as well as the stamp service book, leather wallet with all the manuals, 2 keys, all the tools are as they should be. I'll just show you the rear boot, and I'll show you that the rear spoiler also does go up. So there's the rear spoiler, which comes up itself. And there are the cooling fans. Oil and coolant top-ups are in there. But as you can see, this car is in absolutely fantastic condition. I'm so pleased to have it back to pass on to another owner. So there is the sunroof open. You can also open it just on the tilt, as I said, which I'll do. So there is the sunroof on the tilt there. But yeah, it's an absolutely beautiful 991 Carrera S. If you are interested in this car, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thanks for watching.